We are sports fans. We're at Lake Monroe Park in Geneva, Florida, just east of Sanford, Florida on Route 46. It's a really nice little freshwater park and boat ramp that pretty much just the locals know about. We're going to put in today and take my Scout and go chase some school and bass. Hopefully we'll catch some stripers. I like to eat stripers. Bass, I put them back. I don't know how much luck we're going to have, but if we can't catch fish, we're going to take some pictures, and I can guarantee you they're going to be good. There's the rig. So what say we get this show on the road? This is the St. Johns River. It runs a portion of it that runs between Lake Monroe and Lake Harney. It's absolutely beautiful back in here. So the plan today is to run to Lake Harney, because right at the mouth of Lake Harney there's usually a lot of school and bass, but it might be too late for that. I'm not sure. But it's a nice ride down there, and if we don't find nothing, well, I'm just going to put the telephoto on the camera and take some really beautiful pictures, because this is one nice stretch of St. Johns River right here. And you can make a painting of that, couldn't you? Let's go for a ride, guys. It's idle speed all the way down through here, which is understandable. If you had these houses, you wouldn't mind your docks and property getting swamped by people's wakes. They'd do it too. Look at this. That's nice. A rope to swing out on. That out, man. I bet you I can get that place for a deal. I doubt it. I don't think you can get any place around here. The land's worth more than the house. Somebody will buy that, tear the house down just to build another one. This right here used to be called Lemon Bluff Marina. It was a restaurant, closed about 10-12 years ago. It was a great place. I could go to that place from my house on my motorcycle in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. After these signs right here, this is resume normal safe operation. I'm going to get her back up on plane. This area right in here, when the fish are schooling, is usually pretty good. There's another boat ramp right over here, right there. That's Lemon Bluff boat ramp. It's a nice ramp. It's real shallow and it's real hard to back down into. I don't use it. All right, guys. If something happens, I'll bring you back on board. Lake Harney. Alright, it's a wrap. Some old guy lives on that thing. Been living on it for years. We nickname him Captain America. I personally don't know how you can live out here without power. He's probably got a generator, but man, the skeeters got to be pretty bad at night. The reason he stays here is because he can use the bathroom facilities at the park, Mullet Lake Park.